Hello everyone, my name is Dirk and I'm here to do my exit interview for stage 3 of Pip and Run in Dr. Greg McLeod's trading program. Where am I from? Well, as you can detect, I have a little slang. I'm from deep East Texas, near the Piney Woods. So that's where I'm from. Why should you listen to me? Well, I've been around the block a few times. I was in 3 military services. I retired in 2005. I was started in the Air Force in 1981. I got a commission in the Marine Corps, and then I retired out of the Army. Started out with no education and ended up with a master's degree. Started out as a slick sleeve, an E1, and ended up as a senior major. So I know how to pull my bootstraps up. And I've also, over those years, learned to detect an entire line of bullshit if there is one. So when I first met Greg, I was very suspicious, and don't worry about my dog. He thinks he hears something out there. But anyway, I was very suspicious, so I called Dr. Greg and talked to him. And he told me, don't join the program. Well, that kind of pissed me off when somebody tells me I can't do something. So I did it anyway. It's the best thing I ever did. Since about 2008, I have been trying to get profitable using options. I've traded Forex, I've traded options, I've traded futures. I've used all the platforms, Tasty Trade, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, Ninja Trader. I've tried it all. I have probably lost and spent well over $100,000 in courses, indicators, all different kinds of crap, trying to learn how to trade. It should be so easy, but it is one of the hardest things you will ever do because you have to master yourself and your own psychology. You are your own holy grail, and that is what I had to figure out. That was one of my big problems. I did not like to lose. I did not like it whenever I was chasing the next shiny squirrel syndrome. These kind of things annoy me. And I was very, very, very frustrated because it looks like it should be so easy. It isn't. It's one of the hardest things you'll ever do, and you need a mentor. Everyone needs a mentor for whatever they want to do in life. Dr. Greg McLeod was my mentor, and it's the best thing I ever did. What did I like about Dr. Greg? Dr. Greg is honest, he's truthful, and he's consistent. What turned me on to Dr. Greg's program was watching his videos on YouTube. His YouTube channel is gold, pure gold. Even if you don't get in the program, you've got to get on these videos, people, and learn to trade. Learn to read the charts. Learn risk management and learn patience. You've got to do it. If you do, it will pay off dividends for you. My results in my percentage, not dollar figures. Look, I've been in stage 3 for several months now. My goal was to be able to take a Social Security check and double it. I tell you, it got to where I was doubling Social Security checks like it was going out of style. I'd probably double one every 2 weeks. So I don't even bother with doubling Social Security checks no more. Now I just take, a couple $100 and I run it up as high as I possibly can and I take the money out. It's just that simple. My win rate is anywhere from 86% to about 97%. Because I do lose, everybody loses, and I've had to learn to lose. The next question is, what can I do now that I could not do before stage 1? Compound. Everybody dreams of compounding. Once you realize that you don't need a prop firm account, you have 1 to 500 leverage. Every dollar you put in is $500 out of the brokerage. The brokerage is letting you borrow money because he thinks you're going to lose. He thinks you're just another trader who's going to lose all their money. But let me tell you something. This shouldn't be called Pip and Run. It should be called the Forex Broker Robbery Course. Seriously. So let's get on this, people, and let's learn how to make this money. What is my favorite part of the program without giving away the secret sauce? Let me tell you something. Dr. Greg, Jamie Rogers, all of these people, Svetlana, all these people, Jay Faison, there's people out here in this program that are making a killing. They're using prop firms, they're using their own money, they're compounding. All these people didn't know how to do this 6 to 8 months ago. I surely couldn't do it. That's why I was so frustrated. And I know you're frustrated too. So let's get on this program and let's make it happen. The secret sauce, let me just talk about this. You got to learn how to do top-down analysis. And with top-down analysis, you can take a bigger time frame and you can see what is the direction, where is the money flow, who's making the money. You will learn how to find out where are the bankers areas at using quarters theory, or you can use pivot points, you can use support and resistance, you can use supply and demand, you can use whatever you want. But the way we do it is we are able to use the 30,000 foot aerial view and look down, and we can pinpoint where these markets are going on a 15-second chart. 15-second chart. You know how much money you can make? Dr. Greg teaches you how to find the beginning and the end of a trend. And let me tell you something. It's pure gold. Once you find the beginning of a trend, it's over. You can slice and you can dice and you can make as much money as you want. You can start with $100, and by the time you're done at the end of the night, you may have 1,000. That is not unrealistic. Compound. Start with a 0.1 lot, move it up to 0.5, move it on up to 1. Next thing you know, you're doing with a 2 and a 3 and a 4. And let me tell you something. These things add up, and you're using the broker's money. It's awesome. Next question. Who do I think that the trading course is for? It's for anyone. And let me tell you something. Do not wait. Do not wait till you're old. Don't wait till you're, in Social Security. Don't wait till you're using your pension, if they even have those anymore. Don't use your 401k. Don't use money that you cannot afford to lose. Use a demo account and learn what you're doing. There's a 3-step process. You learn to simulate, then you get on a demo account, and then you learn how to double small accounts. That's stage 3. I'm telling you, the secret sauce is there. Dr. Greg has the answers. The group has the answers. There's a Skype. All you have to do is ask questions. We're all there, and we all want to see you there. So get on the Facebook group in the Lion's Den. Get on the Skype and make a call to Dr. Greg today and get in this program, and let's get on this money train. All right. I hope y'all have a good weekend. I know I will be now that I'm out of stage 3 and I'm moving on, man. So let's get on the money train. Have a good one, y'all. Bye-bye.